Installing solar panels for your home is a great investment, and the addition of a solar power storage system can help to leverage the full potential of the installed system. The CFE Powercube storage system, manufactured by CF Energy, is an excellent power storage option for larger residential and light commercial applications that require greater power storage in the least available space. With a compact and lightweight design, the device uses the safe and environmentally friendly lithium iron phosphate batteries that can store higher power of up to 20.48 kWh. Since the LFP batteries don't have to be charged and recharged as frequently as the conventional lead-acid batteries, they provide steady performance and longer service life of up to 6,000 cycles. Thanks to the system's modular and expandable functionalities, customers can connect 2 to 4 individual battery modules to boost the device's voltage up to 204.8 volts, or the battery capacity up to 400 ampere-hours, without the need for any additional equipment or settings. The modules can be connected in a variety of ways, depending on the needs of the customer. For example, they can be wired in series for use in high voltage applications, or they can be wired in parallel to provide power for extended periods of time. The device is built to be flexible, with over-the-air updates that can add new functionalities to the device over the internet. Also, the inbuilt Wi-Fi capability enables convenient remote monitoring and maintenance of the system, lowering the after-sales service costs. The smart algorithm used by the Intelligent Battery Management System ensures precise sampling of voltage and current data, allowing for accurate calculation of the device's state of charge and thus facilitates effective tracking of the system's performance. Our products can be easily mounted on the wall or the ground, and the simple buckle fixing function helps to cut down on installation time and cost. The device also comes with a 10-year product warranty, and as further proof of our product's quality and reliability, we have obtained various international industry standard certifications, such as the TÜV, IEC 62619, IEC 62040, European CE, and so on. CF Energy is a high-tech manufacturer of lithium ion and lithium phosphate batteries that are utilised in a wide range of applications, including household power storage, utility scale and industrial energy storage, electric vehicles, and other high-tech applications. With over 2 decades of extensive manufacturing experience in the clean energy sector, we have delivered over 2 million energy-efficient products worth nearly 3 gigawatt-hours of power storage to diverse customers across the globe. We employ the most stringent quality management and testing procedures to ensure affordable, high-quality products reach our customers on time.